Hey cadets, it's Mrs. McCabe. This is a quick little short video. I just had to tell you I had an out of this world, out of this world delivery today. Yeah, up to the sky, down to the ground. Yes, those are all Cadet Pride prizes. For the Cadet Pride Carnival for you. So this is what I did. I put a number on each box, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And I thought we'd do a vote. So if you make a comment and tell me a number for your class, I will unbox one of these prize boxes for the Cadet Pride Carnival. Woo! So excited! So please make a comment to which number 1 through 5 that you want to see me unbox live, showing all those cool Cadet Pride prizes. I'm so pumped. My lid has flipped. All right, have a great day. Happy Monday, and I'll look forward to your voting. Bye, cadets.